Bukan kecap manis.
Bukan kecap asin.
This is
Ketchup session!
no, you're last.
Oh, I'm last.
Yes.
So everybody loves.
Yo, it's been a while, yo. Kita hampir setahun lalu bikin konten ini. Habis itu kita tidak pernah membuat lagi setelah hampir setahun. Akhirnya kita kembali dengan ide konten. Dan juga untungnya kita sama-sama punya waktu luang untuk melakukan ini. Dan akhirnya kita akan menunjukkan konten baru kita.
Skopnya besar.
Project besar banget. Hear me out, serum.
Apa
Uh.
tuh, Kak?
Apa tuh? Apa tuh? Apa tuh?
Berapa sih?
Jadi hear me out, serums. We will explain, we will show about anything that we think attractive. Kita bakalan memberitahu, hear me out, pendapat kita tentang sesuatu yang menurut kita attractive. Tidak relate cuma ke satu hal, tapi bisa ke berbagai hal yang menurut kita attractive. So, the game rules is nanti kita bakalan nyebutin satu persatu secara gantian tentang apa yang menurut kita atraktif. Per orang bakalan nyebutin 5 yang menurut mereka atraktif gitu. Ya, the first player is Ayam Keyboard. Second player
Ah,
is
oke.
Buriam. And then the third player is Soto Ayam for me.
Ini
As
ya.
the last player. Enggak, ini bukan nggak ada unsur kecurangan di sini ya sahabat. Ini bener-bener ya. Cuma
Ini Rick ya, ini Rick, Rick, Rick,
enggak.
Rick.
Manipulasi.
Kagak. Ini beneran terakhir, bro. Oke, the first player waktu udah tempat saya persilakan untuk hear me out yang pertama.
Okay, this is K-pop speaking.
Oke.
So my first hear me out serum is be ready for the first and be curious. The bowling ball. I cannot find the PNG for this, so I'll just drop this.
Belum di
I don't
PNG
really
lagi.
know why. I just find it attractive. Like the first thing in my mind when I hear me out, something that I find attractive, bowling ball. First, I haven't touched it, but it seems like the grips. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about the grips. Okay, continue to the next question. I
Oke.
have no alibi.
Questionable reasoning, but we'll take it.
Okay.
Hear me out. Nick. As
Reasonable.
expected.
Girl,
He's he's like annoyingly attractive. Aku akan
I
mencoba.
wish I could send lots of question marks like right now.
I'm not trying to be weird. Okay, it's still reasonable. He's annoyingly attractive. Yeah, actually, you're so reasonable than the first one. Okay. Okay.
Hey. It's people
Sorry,
stage, people stage.
we're trying to not. We listen, we don't judge.
My first hear me out.
Okay.
Girl, that's not hear me out. Everybody find him sexy.
Iya, Cong.
Semuanya
Itu
kayak
jangan disampirin.
Hemsworth terus kayak RDJ. Ini kayak kalian tidak melihat kayak that I'm always angry line. Tapi Marvel merebut itu semua dari Mark Ruffalo untuk Avengers Endgame kayak no man, masih dendam.
Kayaknya karena saya terakhir aku jadi agak ke pressure teman-teman.
No pressure.
Oh, hear me out. Ini kayaknya very safe dan kalian juga udah tahu ya. Anjay. So
Malah.
my first hear me out is my top one bias.
Dude, that's not a hear me out. Everyone's attractive
Shut
already.
Hey, your option are not a hear me out.
Hear me out. Dia tuh pinter kayak he has a sexy brain, anjay. Sexy body, astagfirullahalazim. Kayak anjir hairstyle di sini aku suka banget coy. Bener-bener ganteng banget.
This is not a hear me out. This is you fangirling, okay?
I want you to hear me out, okay? My second one, hear me out. The Mozilla Firefox logo, but the old one, the original one, the like semi 3D design, not the cartoon one, the newest, but this one, like precisely this one. Okay, I kinda relate to you, Priam, because yeah, You understand me. Thank you.
We have a red fox problem apparently.
Oh,
Okay, so ya masih normal lah. Tapi ya, my second hear me out is Robin. Tapi
Enak
dari
deh.
Teen Titans yang original, not the Teen Titans Go. Okay, I had a
girl.
really big humiliating crush on him. So I'm putting this collage of him right in this corner.
Ganteng coy.
Memang.
Again, very questionable reasoning.
It's more logical than yours.
Seru sekali melihat orang saling ngejudge
Right.
atas pilihan mereka
It
sendiri
should,
gitu.
it should be fun.
Hans from the Zorro.
I could do.
How can?
I'd rather spend my entire life marrying this problematic man than
Problematik anjir.
marrying someone who eats Moses saliva.
Dia nggak mau kalau sama Christoph yang makan wortel bekas Sven. Okay, hear me out. Ya. Okay, hear me out first. So, ini salah satu karakter Pokemon ya, sahabat. I mean, look at this, look at its mask. So, kalau di Pokemon kan ada kayak tipe-tipenya gitu kan. Nah, dia itu tipe fighter, guys. Jadi kayak I found him very, very attractive because wow, dia bisa melindungimu. Dia bisa bertarung. Dan lihatlah, walaupun bentuknya seperti anjing, tapi dia bener-bener
Benar.
atraktif dari topengnya itu. Like, look at that. Oh my God, sama di tangannya itu ada duri-durinya itu bisa melindungimu dengan baik.
What are you getting? What, Tom Yum?
Maaf, tapi ini beneran ganteng gak sih coy? But in my eyes, in my opinion, it's attractive. Next, balik lagi ke K-pop.
Okay.
Okay, we're jumping on to my
Oh, sorry,
next
bentar.
pick,
Bentar. Aku lupa bilang
Oh,
namanya kalau dia namanya Lucario. Oke,
Okay.
udah lanjut.
hi Lucario.
Lucario.
Nice info, Tom Yum. This is my third pick. I mean, you've seen lots of my picks seems like around like a circular. So I present you something more reasonable. Rocky from Paw Patrol. I don't really have defense for this. I just found him attractive other than the other puppies. Mostly if I watch Paw Patrol, I don't want to watch the episodes without Rocky. So I'm putting him here. Oh, he should be here. He's important. Sorry. Okay.
Opini pribadi banget ya, aku udah di center banget nih.
Like Chaser is overrated and Rubber is like Rubber and also they're like the most popular and Sky also. But Rocky underrated, yeah.
I'm next again. Dadang! We have a theme here, the color red and orange. Dia itu Flame Dragon dari game Dragon City di Facebook.
Dragon City di Facebook.
Aku dulu sering main game ini tiap hari.
Aduh, gak ketahuan umurnya nih jadinya.
I would say this is like the original dragon that you would get if you're new to playing the game. So he's there when you're new. He's loyal. And he looks hot, like literally hot. He's a flame dragon. I
Because
guess
it's
that's my
hot.
reasoning.
It's because K-pop bringing her A game, so I guess the cheeky. Kayak sangat indah. I don't know why. That's my only reason.
Aesthetically. Next to Jurul. Boy Halilintar. Satu tim ya. Ya kalian bisa lihat kekuatannya. It is very very speed. His agility is very very top notch. Tapi atraktif aja sih, kayak dari warnanya aku suka kayak hitam, perpaduan hitam sama merah itu keren banget. That's it for my third. Hear me out. So, since our friends is signing out because of her connection, di sini kita bakal ngewakilin Hear Me Out ke empatnya dia. So, it's a narrow. Oh my God, no way. Why narwhal? She loves swords. She said, look at those swimming unicorns. Pretty and deadly. Narwhals meat tastes great. I mean like, siapa yang membahas itu juga itu nggak kesampaian, tapi ya udah.
The unicorn part is still understandable. Kayak, yeah, someone described that, you would think it's fictional. Okay. Agak questionable dikit, tapi you'll get it. Habis explanationnya.
Okay.
Dan it's not the person, it's the uniform. Aku close up dulu. They have a pin and a ring. Itu tuh pass by. Jadi kayak dari generasi pertama ke generasi kedua, ketiga, keempat, they're known for their pure bloods. If you receive that, it's from a long line of pure bloods of Slytherin. And bayangin kayak pakai itu keliling Hogwarts, I have power. That is my reasoning.
Nyam.
I think Hear Me Out is sebentar. Felicity Durges. Hear Me Out karena oh sebentar, aku zoom dulu dong. Kalian pernah merasakan kayak kenyamanan saat kalian melewati polisi tidur nggak guys? Kayak plung plung. Jadi
Kak, sorry, tapi kita punya pendapat yang berbeda.
Never. Never
Sorry
in
banget nih, sorry
my
banget
life.
sebagai
polisi tidur guys sangat berjasa membawa kenyamanan dan keamanan bagi rakyat Indonesia.
tolong jangan kaget. Hear me out, gitar, bass. Ya aku tahu kalian pasti bakal diem aja dan bingung kayak kenapa? Warnanya sih cakep loh warnanya. Terus kayak suaranya ngebas berat gitu. Kayak bisa bayangin gak sih suara kalau misalnya di manusia tuh suara berat ngebas. Tapi other than that aku kayak admire warnanya ini aja sih. Selain karena suaranya juga keren. Terus kayak dia bisa apa ya? Pokoknya kalau dia di band itu bisa ngebalance musiknya dengan suara bass ini. Itulah kenapa it finds attractive to me.
Temenmu.
Nah, ini ada teman kita lagi nih, teman kita yang agak AFK. Tapi kayaknya ntar agak di sensor ya PDD. This is the last Hear Me Out from our friend K-pop, but here it is. Aku gak tahu kenapa dia menemukan ini, tapi alasannya dia tuh, she at this merek of bank because she loves money, they provide money. This is her top tier of Hear Me Out. No further alibi. Ya, ini kayaknya dia personal karena dia pakai bank ini aja sih.
I disagree because I use the other one. So
Dan kayaknya kita berempat tuh terbagi jadi dua tim ya. Dua pakai bank ini, duanya lagi pakai bank satunya, merek satunya. So that is her last. Hear Me Out is because she loves money. So that she brought up this bank.
my last hear me out. I think kalian bakal setuju juga. The word darling. I personally want to be called this. Jadi this is my biggest hear me out. And my final one.
Bukan sekedar K-drama. I specifically love K-dramas with a lot and lots of episodes. Kayak aku bisa bertahan kayak ratusan. Kayak aku sudah dididik dari kecil kayak di kasur
Damn.
7 hari seminggu, kayak 7 days a week, menemukan kenikmatan saja kayak mempusingkan diri, tidak tidur, terus kayak mencoba menjadi karakter utama kayak, oh my god, aku ditipu oleh ayahku, ternyata aku anak pamanku, lalu aku harus memperebutkan perusahaan kecap ini, aku harus menjadi lelaki untuk memperebutkannya. Bisa menghabiskan 50 episode dalam 2 hari.
So my last Hear Me Out to close this session is number 5. Aku suka reaksi kalian. I like your reaction, guys. Why number 5? Because number 5 itu di tengah-tengah kan, in the middle of the numbers between 1 to 10.
Enggak.
And then,
Enggak.
ketika
1, 2, 3, 4,
Jangan.
enggak, not specifically in the middle, not specifically, bukan yang apa ya, bukan yang bener-bener di tengah banget, tapi kayak kan ada 2 nih, tapi lebih ganteng angka 5 gitu. Terus angka 5 tuh 5 tambah 5 10. Nah, angka genap kan. Tambah 5 lagi 15. Terus angkanya kayak pas gitu kayak oke 5 5 5. Kelipatannya tuh bagus, guys. Jadi kelipatan 5 tuh bener-bener kelipatan yang paling aku cintai. Karena itu sangat-sangat mudah diapalin waktu kecil.
Ngomong aja lu emang suka kelipatan 5 aja dari kecil, yang lainnya nggak bisa.
That's it for our Hear Me Out serum yang very very unexpected.
Kita bisa ranking ya. Nomor 1, 2, 3, 4.
Most questionable number 1 is we all agree that K-pop. Nah, masalahnya nih, in my mind nih, kayak nomor 1 nih K-pop nih. Nah, 2, 3, 4 itu rata semua kita bertiga.
Udah, kalau aku ya, menurut aku ya, K-pop, aku Tom Yum Blitar, because you put Jake, which everyone already agrees, so it's not a hear me out. You disqualified yourself. But your biggest hear me out is number 5. You could have been on the second rank, but you disqualified yourself.
How do you feel on coming last?
Hah?
No, you're last.
Oh, I'm last.
Yes.
So everybody loves polisi tidur.
No. Everyone was with the other 4 except the policy tidur. Didn't you hear all my arguments? Number 1 is I am Gebok. Why? Everyone knows why. I put you last because they're still reasonable, except
Except
the policy tidur. You know, number 2 and number 3 is kind of debatable. It's up to your preference. But number 1 and number 4 is without a doubt
no
unquestionable
question needed.
and
No question
debatable.
needed.
Number 1 is Gebok and number 4 is Soto Ayam Blitar. Okay, that is the whole explanation. Did you get that?
Get that I am the most sane in this group.
No, no, don't put two things together like that. This conclusion doesn't equal
That's two different things.
conclusion. That's two different things. Okay.
We cannot conclude between Hear Me Out and the insanity in this group, yeah. Okay, so for tonight's winner of Hear Me Out serum is Ayam Gebok.
Thank you very much. Where's my clap? Thank you. First of all, gue gak menyangka kalian gak akan kayak mengeluarkan the most basic things like, girl, that's not a hear me out, okay? Like
We're
we all
playing safe.
attracted
Okay,
to
sorry.
everything that you put out first. We find them attractive. That's why I put the bowling first because I thought you guys would go with no photo alibis for the last two. Thank you. They said like that. We cannot eat it here, so I'm curious.
Oh, no.
Why? They're eating novels. Why can't I? You know what? I actually got a lot of questions for y'all. Like, why am I seeing cop progression and also darling on
No.
that screen? Like, what is happening? But I want ask for the details.
When
I
it's
know
up to-
y'all weird. I shouldn't be questioning any of your options.
But that's all from us for the Hear Me Out serum episodes. Hope you guys terhibur. Semoga kalian terhibur dengan ini walaupun aslinya aneh banget isinya. See you next on Catch Up Session. Bye-bye.
Annyeong.
Bye bye.